The Available Blind Spot Information System, BSI, issues an alert in the side mirror on the affected side when the system detects vehicles approaching from behind in adjacent lanes, enhancing driver awareness. The system works when your vehicle is moving forward at about 20 miles per hour or above. The alert zones on each side initially extend from about 1.6 to 10 feet from the sides of the vehicle and about 10 feet behind the rear bumper. As the vehicle is driven more on straight roads with traffic and roadside objects, the system will adapt and extend the alert zone up to 82 feet back. The faster vehicles are traveling in the extended zones, the farther away they will be detected. If the turn signals are activated in the direction of a detected vehicle, an audible alert will also sound to further warn the driver. It's important to remember that the BSI system has limitations. Always check your mirrors to the side and behind the vehicle before changing lanes. The system may not work properly when sensors in the rear bumper are covered by dirt, mud, snow, ice, etc., or when operated in bad weather. See your vehicle's owner's manual for more details or go to owners.honda.com for a downloadable version.